How much further must we heft this baggage? Any cell will do. Why not toss him in with this lot? They could use the meat. Hell, what about us? My belly aches. His flesh is seared just the way I like it. Quiet! To whimper like grunts fresh off the teeth. He's not meant for kings. The hierarchs have something special in mind. Prophets of truth and mercy. I have brought the incompetent.
You may leave, Tartarus.
But I thought...
And take your brutes with you.
Release the prisoner.
The council decided to have you hung by your entrails and your corpse paraded through the city. But ultimately, the terms of your execution are up to me.
I am already dead.
Indeed. Do you know where we are?
The mausoleum of the Arbiter.
Quite so. Here rests the vanguard of the great journey. Every Arbiter from first to last. Each one created and consumed in times of extraordinary crisis.
The taming of the Hunters, the Grunt Rebellion. Were it not for the Arbiters, the Covenant would have broken long ago.
Even on my knees, I do not belong in their presence.
Halo's destruction was your error, and you rightly bear the blame. But the Council was overzealous. We know you are no heretic. This is the true face of heresy. One who would subvert our faith and incite rebellion against the High Council.
Our prophets are false. Open your eyes, my brothers. They would use the faith of our forefathers to bring ruin to us all. The great journey is a...
This heretic, and those who follow him, must be silenced.
Their slander offends all who walk the path.
What use am I? I can no longer command ships, lead troops into battle.
Not as you are, no, but become the Arbiter. And you shall be set loose against this heresy with our blessing.
What of the Council?
The tasks you must undertake as the Arbiter are perilous, suicidal. You will die, as each Arbiter has before you. The Council will have their corpse.
What would you have your Arbiter do?
When we joined the Covenant, we took an oath.
According to our station, all without exception.
On the blood of our fathers, on the blood of our sons, we swore to uphold the Covenant.
Even to our dying breath.
Those who would break this oath are heretics, worthy of neither pity nor mercy. Even now, they use our Lord's creations to broadcast their lives.
We shall grind them into dust.
And continue our march to glorious salvation.
This armor suits you, but it cannot hide that mark. Nothing ever will. You are the Arbiter, the will of the prophets. But these are my elites. Their lives matter to me. Yours does not. That makes two of us.
are the arm of the prophets, Arbiter, and you are the blade. Be silent and swift, and we shall quell this heresy without incident. The storm has masked our approach, and it should have their local battle net in disarray. We have the element of surprise, for now.
Engage active camouflage. Reveal yourselves only after the Arbiter has joined battle with the enemy.
You may wish to do the same, Arbiter. But take heed. Your armor system is not as new as ours. Your camouflage will not last forever.
Yeah!
No, stay here.
Death will be quick. Where?
Prophet lackey.
Grenade!
Hi. Tricky.
Sentinels, the holy warriors of the sacred range. Why have they sided with these heretics? Quietly now.
Clear the hangar and open its doors, so I may drop the second lance.
Our foes multiply.
I am making my approach.
When will you turn on your new man? traitor! Excruciating pain! Check your target, Arbiter. Out and flare! Hold fast! Stay back! Your death is at hand! Another kill for the yeah! A terrific swing. With stealth. Come on, you! Do you think to other enemy? I've been shot. Hurt. They sent the armor. Come back and fight, coward! Arbiter, take your pick. Come out! Your death is quick and painless. You are no warrior.
Can you throw it back?
Deal with him, my brothers. I will defend the Oracle. Its truth must not be silenced. Ah!
Get after their leader, but watch your back. I'm sending one of our bandits to support you.
Heretics have weapon emplacements all over the facility, Arbiter. We'll take them out one by one until we find the heretic leader. Arbiter, more heretics have gathered there.
No sign of the heretic leader or his bandits. Must be certain. Track the heretic leader to this part of the stadium. Clear that landing zone and get inside.